Okay, so now we just arrived at the wind turbine. It is quite cold, so let's get some jackets on and stuff and get to work.
Biraz sniemam, Martin.
A snimam w moment. Ty pomyślisz? Okay, so this is all our equipment. Let's start with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the DJI Matrice 4E, the DJI Matrice M30T, and the DJI Matrice 4T. So plenty of thermal cameras and enterprise equipment. Let's get started. Okay, let's start out with the DJI Matrice 4E. You know, this is an enterprise drone that can collect a lot of images in very little time. So we will try to create a 3D model using photogrammetry, create a 3D model of the wind turbine. We have never tried it before, but it will be very interesting to see how the drone captures and how the software manages to stitch all the data after that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's take off. Okay, so now we're creating a 360-degree panorama of the wind turbine here, and so we get a good impression after that on the computer where we have other wind turbines, geographical location and stuff. That is very important. Okay, now we finished with the photogrammetric part. We captured a couple of thousands of images, I think, of the wind turbine. And I want to explain a bit why wind turbine inspections are so important. Well, first we have safety, because with the drones like the Matrice 4E or any other drone, basically with a decent camera, you can go ahead and take very detailed photos from a very safe distance. So that means you can take photos of the blade and of other details on the wind turbine from 20-50 meters and still get a very detailed photo, which will help to create a very accurate report of the quality of the wind turbine. This is one of the benefits. Another benefit of drone-based wind turbine inspections is speed, which means that in 10-15 minutes you can inspect a wind turbine and you can basically cover the entire park here in a day, I would think. So speeds up operations a lot. So now we're deploying the DJI Matrice 4T to do some thermal inspections on the wind turbine. Let's take out the big beast here, the DJI Matrice M30T. This should be quite good for tough environments like wind and rain and stuff. And now, today when we have quite a bit of rain, I think this room will come quite in handy. That's batteries in. Batteries, quite heavy. Okay, and then you can turn the drone on. Let's do it. Matrice 30T is in the air, and it is known with its incredible zoom capabilities, so we can achieve up to 200 times digital zoom. So let's test it out. Okay. Take quite some detailed photos.